In this video, we will present to you the interval in the formula builder. This feature enables you to refer to the current period when building a formula, and not only to the previous period, as was possible so far. A company will pay out a Christmas or end-of-year bonus to its employees, using the gross salary from the current period as the base for calculation. Payroll for the current period is already prepared and can be used as a variable for referral. Select the desired earning type and open the formula builder. Here, a program parameter is selected, but you could also select the average salary or the salary for an individual employee. In Program Parameters, select the appropriate variable and define OO for current month interval, which is then used in the formula. Here, the formula will take 50% of the regular gross salary amount. By using the current month interval, the bonus amount will be calculated according to the formula. To sum up, this feature enables that you can calculate earning type without referring it each month to the previous payroll via the payroll number or a concrete payroll, but using a variable for referring directly to the current period payroll. Thank you for your attention. For further help or advice, please refer to our consultants.